Welcome to this brief training module that will guide you through the installation of G30 chassis. After checking the equipment against the listed bill of materials, we can proceed with the physical installation. We'll go through each of the stages that are listed here. The G30 hardware design is composed by 4 pluggable slots in the front to accommodate the muxponder and open-line system modules. Front G45 ports for local management, AC or DC PSU slots, mainboard, fan tray, and rear G45 ports for DCN connectivity. When fully provisioned, G30 chassis is 510 mm deep. The space required for cables depends on what modules are fitted. Rack mounting kits are available in 19-inch, 23-inch, and ETSI racks. 19-inch kits are fitted by default and can be changed if required. In order to install the G30 into the rack, measure the distance S between front and rear installation surface. In this example, we have the S measurement for 4 posts and the 2-post installation. And next, determine the distance S1 between the rail and the front surface. S1 must be higher than S-100 mm and lower than S-5 mm. These are examples of a rail position on different rack installation type. As with any equipment, a grounding cable needs to be fitted, ensuring a good connection between the grounding point and the chassis. Certify also that the rack needs to be appropriately grounded before grounding the G30 shelf. Use a grounding cable of at least 14 AWG between the grounding point on the rack and the ground stud on the front of G30. 5 fan modules need to be installed in slots 6 through 10. To install the fan modules, push the handle towards the chassis until the module is securely engaged with the back plane. After power on, check the fan LED status to verify if the fan modules work fine. The G30 can be powered using DC or AC PSUs, but not both in the same chassis. 2 power supplies can be installed to provide 1+1 protection. The AC and DC power modules have their own fans for cooling. Each PSU needs to be gently installed into the chassis using the retractable handle until it stops and locks into place. The up arrow symbol indication label must point to the correct direction when inserting the power module. To ensure good airflow, an unused slot should have a blanking plate installed as in this example. For safety reasons, when plugging in the AC or DC power cord, do not have the chassis power on. Power on the chassis only after plugging in the power cord. The DC power cord is secured with Phillips screws. So by now, you should have a clear understanding of the essential steps when installing a G30. This includes the core processes of applying the rack mounting kit and fitting to the rack, installing the fan and PSU modules, then equip the slots requirement, and then finally applying the power. Well done on completing this training module, which will continue to be available on our learning management system. You can use the scroll bar to review any part of the training unit, or you can close the window and this module will be recorded as being complete.